Alrighty guys, we're just gonna talk real quick. So before we get into this video, that brown Jeep that was out here, I ended up doing a bunch of work to that. So I'm gonna roll that footage, and then he actually hid my money, and I got home a little late tonight, so we went on a little bit of a goose hunt for the money there. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that right now, and we'll pick back up here with kind of what's going on with the entire fleet, as you would, of vehicles. I did end up selling the Chevy 2500 that I just picked up, so I turned a little bit of a profit, and we're just going to move forward from that. But it is what it is. From now on, we are going to basically unload everything in the driveway. But roll the Jeep footage real quick, roll the money hunt that he did for me, because I was super confused because his left and his right are different than my left and right. But roll that footage, I'll pick right back up. What is going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. So this is just going to be a quick little intro, quick little rundown of why this Jeep has been here for so long. This Jeep has actually been here for probably upwards of 2 months, and it's kind of my fault, and kind of he didn't need a rush and he didn't need it back right away, so it was just kind of like sitting here. But I want to get this thing done. I want to get it out of here. So this thing came in, we ended up putting a sway bar quick connects in, got rid of his old sway bar system here. As you can tell, we got the quick connects in on this side. Pull the pin, they pop right off. So we did sway bar quick connects to this thing. The fan shroud was actually busted up, so we put a new fan shroud in it, put a new obviously overflow tank. Got to get a lid for it because he didn't have one here. The other thing we did was coming around here to this side, they did a body lift to this thing, and in the rear of it, it actually had a bolt broken off. So I went ahead, and that was the only way that I could actually feasibly get it, because of the way the cage sits in here. It's the only way that I could get the cage. So the nut started spinning on top of the cage. I kind of wish I would have showed you, but there's a square cage in the back of these. The cage was actually all stripped out, all messed up, so it left kind of a big hole in here. So I had to cut this open, lift it up. I had nut and bolted it, and got this body mount back on. We had to do it on the other side as well, so it is what it is. It's all good to go now, nutted and bolted through. He should be ready to rock, ready to roll. Yeah, there's still a little rust there, but that's okay. The other thing was the filler neck. For it being a body lift, we had to get a new hose for it, so I went ahead and got a new filler neck hose. There's his old one, tossed it in here, and we just got this thing back together. So Cody, your Jeep is now officially ready for you to come get it. I'm excited about it, and we'll probably see it with this thing four-wheeling very, very soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the next part of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little rundown. I didn't really want to film a whole video on doing it because it's all like simple stuff, but that's why this Jeep is here. It's off. It should be gone tonight, hopefully. If not, it'll be gone here in the near future. So roll into the new footage. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I gotta laugh at it. From the front left F450 dually wheel, walk 5 steps forward, turn right, then walk 2 steps forward, turn left, then walk 6 steps and turn left, then walk 13 steps, look left, and bam, you'll find it under something. So that brown Jeep that was here, guys, he actually hid money at my house here. I know you guys can't see anything, but I gotta do this. So front left F450 wheel. Oh man, so this would be the driver's side left. Walk 5 steps forward. Would I be going forward? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turn right. I can't really turn right. There's a Corvette there. Okay, so maybe we're going the other way. Okay, let's try it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't really go 12 steps that way. My shed's there. So maybe we've got to do this the opposite direction. Maybe his left and right is messed up. Oh wait, he said dually wheel. So the left rear dually wheel. Okay, so that would be, let's see if it's this one. This is confusing as hell. From the front left F450 dually wheel. Front left. Wait a second, am I confused, guys? Stand by, I gotta text him real quick. I'm actually gonna call him, probably be easier. Yo. So I'm reading your message here, and it says from the front left F450 dually wheel. So dually wheels are in the back, and then it says front left.
Yeah, but I meant the dually. That's what I just meant, the dually. The front left wheel. So go to the front left wheel and look straight out from the truck, like as if you're standing in the, like your back's towards the front left wheel.
The front left field. See, that's the other way. I'm like, is it?
No, the front left wheel.
Yeah.
It's outwards.
So I'm walking towards the back of my property, not the front.
No, you're walking towards the side.
Towards the side? What? Okay, I'm at the passenger front. Is that the right wheel?
Driver's front.
Driver's front, okay.
Driver's front wheel.
Now, which way am I facing? Which way should I face?
You're going to be facing like the red GTX, the red, whatever that is, BTX or GTA. Or
okay, my GTA, Trans Am, yeah.
You're
Okay.
gonna be facing that.
So then 5 steps forward.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I think you make a right.
I'm making a right, then 12 steps.
Yeah, they're like a, you gotta like walk over.
Okay.
Yeah, I put his money in a treasure hunt.
Yeah, like 12 steps, then turn left, walk 6 steps left.
Yep. Excuse me.
Okay. Now, then walk 13 steps left.
Yeah.
So, am I supposed to be...
Turn left and then walk 13 steps back towards the red car.
Into the junk.
Into the... Yeah.
Into the junk.
Everywhere I turn, I'm like, I'm going to hide it here, but then I didn't, so I had to keep walking, so I had to keep putting steps in my tech.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so so technically right now I'm right behind the ramp truck, like, but I'm kind of dead center of the Trans Am.
Yeah, walk between the Trans Am and the trailer.
Okay, so we got a minus 2 steps. Okay, so 13. Huh?
You should be at the corner of your garage.
Yes, I'm back here. There's a lot of shit right here to pick up. Oh God, what the hell was that? Man,
how was that?
that was a task.
Hell yeah.
Not only did I have to work on the Jeep for hours, now I had to work for my money. Alrighty, guys and girls, well, let's just quick talk about it real quick. I don't want to make this an actual super long winded speech. So basically, I read the comments. I read every single comment that's on there, and I haven't really read for probably a month and a half, 2 months. So I apologize that I don't respond to you guys, but I kind of took time from the comments because it gets super stressful. Lately, a couple people have messaged me saying, you know, hey, we keep seeing like older builds. Can you build something new? So long story short, I think I'm going to get rid of my projects that I have. So the next couple days, you'll see the white Saturn getting fixed up here. You'll see the Corvette go back together and become a complete unit. The F350 will actually get 100% finalized, and then we will be selling that. The ramp truck is actually currently for sale. 13.5, I would sell that. The carpet should be here this week. I just got a notification that the carpet actually shipped on, I don't know what day you're seeing this, but yesterday. So the carpet should be here, I'm hoping, by the weekend. I can get the carpet installed in there, then start putting the interior the rest of the way back together, and the ramp truck is good to go. So 3 vehicles that I am going to keep, though. F450, you guys know and love it. And for me to replace that truck, I would have to spend $50,000, $60,000, $70,000. And I'm just not really at a point right now where I want to do that. I think my money would, right now, financially, my goal is to build a garage with a loft above it and then start, you know, planning out a dream house. So in the next 10 years, I will build my dream house. But this year, I want to kind of build my dream garage and just kind of on a piece of land that I want. I was trying to do a one take, but I got kind of sidetracked right there, and that's super long-winded. I didn't want that. So I'm actually still in the search for land. I know where I want to move to. I know what I'm looking for. I kind of want my dream piece of property. something that I can, you know, build a garage on for now and do a lot of work and everything out of, and then in the next 5 to 10 years start a plan to build, you know, what I would call my dream house. So that's going to be the goal. That is why I'm actually unloading everything, because right now my budget is X amount of dollars, and everything that I'm looking at for the amount of land that I'm looking at is, you know, $50,000 to $75,000 higher. So if I sell some of my stuff, and no, I'm not saying my stuff is out there worth $50,000 to $75,000. I'm just saying roughly, if I sell some of that stuff, I can put cash in to be the difference that I need to be able to afford the piece of property that I want and I'm looking for. So I know the land search is kind of hard right now with the whole pandemic situation that's going on. So it's super hard to find something. I thought I would have had something by now, but prices are through the roof. People with land, I don't know why, but they do not negotiate for the most part. They do not budge for the most part, unless you go to places where people don't want to live, like 3 hours away, you know, north, south, east, or west. When you go into them places, like, those people will negotiate on land. But to still kind of be around this area and be for my kids, people aren't willing to negotiate. So I need to get myself, or sell some of my stuff out here to get myself into the ballpark that I actually want to be in. And then we'll move from there. So another thing is, you're probably going to see me purchase a new SUV. I think that's the route I want to go. I'm probably going to keep the Subaru around. Everything else I'm going to sell. 3 cars that I am going to keep, I don't know if I already said it, but the Jeep is going to stay. The F450, we are going to rebuild that 100%, and the GTA. So I'm not going to do any other builds. I'm going to finish selling everything that I have, fixing everything, selling it, and then we're going to start on the GTA build. I want to knock that out. I want that to be done by the summer. You guys want to see it. You guys always ask about that car and when I'm going to get started on it. The time is now. Sell my stuff. So basically the money from the Corvette, when I sell that, once it's whole and everything, I still probably have like 5 or 10 videos, and it's probably going to be another month until the Corvette gets sold. But every dollar from the Corvette is going to be going into the GTA build. I finally discussed it with myself. I finally have a plan I wrote down, and I'm not stepping off of this plan from now on, guys. I know it's kind of been here, there, here, there. You might see a couple cars come in that I fix, and I end up flipping to make a couple dollars just to kind of help me get where I need to be. But for now, if you guys see a car that comes on the channel, 90% of the time it's not here to stay, unless it's like a newer SUV. If you see a newer SUV that we can do some off-roading with and just kind of have some fun, more of like a family vehicle, that one will be here to stay. And I'll let you guys know when we make that purchase. I'm kind of looking for it right now, but I'm not really in a big rush for that one. When that one happens, it happens again like everything else. So I'm still searching hard for land. I really do appreciate you guys' support. I know this really wasn't like an uplifting video. The video that I was supposed to upload tonight actually will be for tomorrow, because I have to finish it up. I still probably have an hour's worth of work to finish up what should have been today's video. So it's been busy around here. It's been hectic. I've got a lot of things done. A lot of things are actually coming to completion, and I'm excited about it. Hope you guys are ready for a new beginning, a new fresh start, and a garage build. Let me know in the comment section down below if you stayed this far. Type dream garage down below and let me know that you guys are excited to see that, because I'm at the point now in my life where I'm excited to do it. So I can't wait. Also, I'll probably end up buying like a camper or an RV, and when I start building the garage, I will actually park it there and just kind of stay in that periodically. That way we can actually get the garage and everything built, and I just want to like be on ground and get that thing built and to my standards right from the rip. I don't want to be traveling and doing a bunch of stuff, but you'll see all that stuff in an upcoming video. I hope you guys do enjoy and trust the process, because it's going to be a busy one the next probably 6 to 8 months. Stay tuned. We will see you guys in an upcoming video. Again, do not forget about the shirts. 30 bucks free shipping, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. Do it now. Get the Karen shirts. The other shirts, if you guys see me out and about, you want to buy a shirt, again, on the 2nd of May, I'm going to place that order. So I would assume by about the 10th to the 15th, I'll have all the shirts in stock. So if you see me from the 15th of May past and I'm anywhere out and about, I'll probably have some merch with me, some shirts. So thank you guys. Take care. I appreciate your support through everything, and I'll see you in the next one.